channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. If you're here for the first time, I am Sanchita Sinha on your screen, and if you have already subscribed to my channel, lots and lots of love and thanks for supporting. This is the day 11th of this series, and today is 2nd of October, so it is Gandhi Jayanti. A very happy Gandhi Jayanti as well. And I think without wasting further much of time, I should straight tell you about the video of today. So today it is basically, although this year the wedding will be very subdued, but yet for a bride it is a special day. So I am here today with a little small wedding trousseau which you can have along with yourself to do your self makeup during the times of the entire festivity. Like on the day of your marriage or your reception, you have a makeup artist who does your makeup, which all of us have hired. But there are functions as well where you might not be hiring a makeup artist. So you must be a beginner in that, or you might be a pro in that. So if you're a beginner, this video is going to help you out a lot. So I'm just going to show you the must-haves for a bridal kit. This is not the skincare part, this is the only makeup part. But I have one product which is essential if it is a skincare or it is a makeup. So without wasting further much of time, we'll just dig in that what are the products we are talking about. So this is the mini kit I'm talking about. This has almost everything and anything a bride needs for her self makeup on the occasions which are after marriage. So this kit might help you to do your makeup very elegantly and very quickly. So to start with, I will prefer that every bride should get this bottle for yourself. This is the Garnier Micellar Water. The brand is like Garnier. You can get any micellar water of your choice, but if you're on a budget, this is great. This is 125 ml of product, and this retails for rupees 225. This is the smaller version. You can get the bigger one if you want. This is my third bottle, and this is love, so you must have, because even if you are not doing makeup, you just clean your face with this. This is perfectly, absolutely good. Look good, and look good in the sense you want to look good in everything you wear. So a primer is must. You can use this Blue Heavens primer as well. This is very cost effective. If you're on a high end, you definitely can go for Benefits Professional. That is absolutely love. But if you're on a budget, Blue Heaven one is also not bad, and also the Color Bar one. Both are very silicone and gives a perfect finish for the pore area. So this is for this is 30 grams of product. It retails for 300 rupees, and this is absolutely love, especially if you have a oily zone and a combination skin like me. The other product is a foundation. So if you're on budget, go for a foundation Maybelline. It is absolutely amazing. It is Fit Me. They have Fit Me, they have Super Stay Matte. Depending on your skin condition, you can go. My favorite is this one. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Super Matte in the shade 310 beige. So you can definitely try this out. You can also try out the NYX one, NYX Cosmetics. You have for the budget, you can also go for PAC. That is absolutely good. So for PAC, my shade is 4.0. And it is beautiful. It is like HD foundation. It is a HD foundation which is a very much alike of a MAC foundation. If you're not going for a high-end product, that is a good to go product. The second thing is, which I think is very essential, is blush, because already you will be blushing so much, and adding a little bit of color to that won't be a harm. So you can definitely take a smaller single thing, which is, you can get it of Lakme, you can get it from Maybelline, you can get it from MUA. But I have recently grown love for this particular palette. This is a LA Colors So Cheeky Blush and Highlight palette. This does the work perfectly. It has 4 different shades of blush on and 2 different shades of highlighter. To be honest, I am not that much fan of this particular highlighters, but the blush ons are amazing. For the highlighter, if you want what highlighter should you use, this is the palette. This does your contouring job, blush on job and highlighting job. So as a beginner, if you're not into contouring, doesn't matter, you can use this brown color for your eyeshadow base as well. Yes, I do that. I have done it in my previous video. I will do it in the future as well. But the best part about this is the color of the highlighter. It is amazing. It gives the glow, because a bride anyways is always so full of glow and glitter, and this has a beautiful pigmentation. The other recommendation on the budget product is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. That is also beautiful. You can use the Wet n Wild highlighter, you can use a Nykaa highlighter. So these are things which are on budget. If you're on budget, these are the things you can just do a tweaking here and there. A compact which you should always have, even if you're not carrying a makeup, just carry your compact in your bag on regular days and that is good to go. I will suggest poreless powder up to 1200 oil control that fits the skin tone and textures very beautifully. This is for 175 rupees. I got it on 175 rupees. It might be 199 rupees. It has sun protection of SPF 28, and this is a beautiful thing. It has a very good pigmentation also, so it's good. Even if you are not using a foundation, this will do your work. For my eyeshadows, I will suggest go for these two beauties. This is from Nika K. This is the Under the Sea palette, and this is the Sugar Plum. Why I am suggesting these two? Because these two have the brown colors, these are the pink colors, these are the purple, the yellows, and everything. Being a beginner, you might not require these much of colors, but it is definitely a good product if you want. So if you are going for this, you are almost getting every color. And if you're going for this, because during a wedding season, a girl anyways go more of pink and reds of use, so this is also a good product. And also, if you don't want to buy this and just want to stick to the neutrals, you can use the Nika K, the Mocha Brown palette. That is also absolutely amazing. These are the products which retail for $3.99. If you buy them on Hawk Makeup, they are generally on combo pack, so you might get, like for this I got three of these together, so I got it on a lower price. You can definitely try Hawk Makeup, that's amazing. Then coming to the eyes, when we are talking about the eyes, kajal is a must have. This is from Calabar. It is amazingly jet black color. You can choose any one of them, but this, I have used n number of kajal, but trust me you guys, this has been my current favorite and I just love it. The kind of black thing it has that gives the intensity to your eyes, it's amazing. After this, the eyebrow pencil. I have already shown you in my previous video how to do your eyebrows. If you have yet not checked in, here's the link. So this is from Miss Claire. This retail for 99 right now on Nykaa. It is retailing for 75 rupees. You can definitely go. The best part, it has a spoolie. You can just brush it off and then put it on and it's done. Lip balm is a must because you will be using a lot of lipstick during your wedding season. So to avoid any chappy and crackly lips, because that can be the grossest part of your face if your lips chapped. So have a lip balm along with this. This lip balm is from Maybelline, and again, this is the baby lips. You can have any one of, even the Blue Heaven one is awesome. That is a bombdegree.com. That's great. And a mascara, because this just uplifts your face altogether at once. So have a mascara in your bridal trousseau for sure. Coming next to one of the favorite part of all the girls, and that is lipstick. Being a very bright person myself, I have always chosen bright colors more over the nude things. If you are a person who like more of nudes, then definitely you can go for the nude ones. I have for my personal bridal kit, I had taken this particular this is the Sunny from Calabar, and this retailed for 300 and something rupees, and it is in 4.2 grams of packaging. It has a beautiful color, and this is the color. I have already showed it in my previous video. So this was from my wedding trousseau, and this is the other one. This is a very plum kind of a color. This is in the shade plum. This is from Maybelline Super Stay Super Mattes ink. It lasts forever, like ever. Yes, ever would be even smaller. And definitely take a fixing spray. You can take any fixing spray of your choice, but do not forget to buy a fixing spray, because during the festivities of wedding you will be around too much of heat and everything. So a fixing spray will put your face intact, your makeup intact. So please do not forget to buy this. So this is all you need to do your makeup at home. If you feel you want to buy some more things like an eyelash or an eyelash curler, you can, but I feel this is a very basic makeup requirement for a beginner who is going to get married, which is the most beautiful day of your life. So all the best for that, whoever is watching it. And if you have liked my content, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please stay at home, stay safe, maintain social distancing, because the virus is yet very active. Until next time, lots of love. Bye.